How much money do I need to start Facebook ads? This is a question that I received, and I'm going to answer it in today's really short Q&A episode. So, some providers or some childcare business owners may think that you need millions of dollars to start Facebook ads. I am here to tell you that you don't. Now, I want to make sure that I am clear. Do I think that you need Facebook ads to advertise your daycare? No, I don't. But you have to understand that if you're not ready to invest, $100 a month on Facebook ads, for example, then you need to take the time and invest your time in showing up online, growing your online reach organically, creating partnerships, setting up your website, and making sure you know how to advertise your daycare organically, okay? Now, with that being said, how much money do you really need to start Facebook ads? What I do and what I suggest all my clients do is start with a budget of $3 to $5. Because for a brick and mortar business, just like a daycare center, right? Or a home daycare or a preschool program, you don't need to have a huge marketing budget. And your social media strategy when it comes to paid traffic doesn't need to be very, very complicated. The most basic campaign you can run is recording a few short videos using your plain old smartphone, and just sharing about your program and then offering some promotion at the end if they decide to click on your ad. That's all I would do. And I would try to focus on different angles. So maybe you're a Montessori daycare, or you've been around for X amount of years, or you offer, vegetarian or vegan meals. So try to focus on 3 to 5 selling points that you have, and then record a very short video, 2 minutes max, sharing about your program and walking these people through what to do if they're interested in taking you up on your offer, whether that's booking a visit or claiming a coupon code. What do they need to do next? And then I would target everyone that lives in your community, and I would run $3 to $5 a day ads to that audience. That's all I would do. I wouldn't do anything else. I wouldn't get more fancier than that. If you have $90 to $100 a month to invest in Facebook ads, this is going to save you time on showing up consistently online, recording videos, we're doing IG reels, posting all the time, because Facebook is going to do this for you because you're paying them to do this, right? So you don't need to be posting every single day if you're going to be investing in Facebook ads. So no, you don't need to have millions of dollars, but you do need to have, I would say, at least $100 a month to start testing some Facebook ads out. So I hope this answers your question. I actually teach Facebook ads inside the Childcare Business Growth Hub. If you want to get access to that and much more, link is in the show notes. Bye for now.